First of all, we know that the relation sine x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Then other two relation, that is sine theta, sine negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. Then another relation cos negative theta is equal to cos theta. We are using these three relations here to find sine x minus y, or the proof of sine x minus y is equal to sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. Okay, then here these three relations. Okay, if you need the proof of these three relations, you can check the previous video lessons. It is there. That is for proof. You can watch that one. These three things. Okay, sine x plus y and sine negative theta and cos negative theta. This proof already uploaded. You can watch the previous video to see that proofs. Okay, then we can go to the sine x minus y part. Okay, then here sine x minus y, we can write it as here minus, that we can write it as plus, then negative y. You can check positive of negative, we know positive of negative, that is negative, or positive times negative, we know that is negative. That means minus, we can write it here. Okay, if you make this two operation to one single one, then you will get like this. Okay, then we arrange this one x minus y, we arrange like this because we know the relation for which one, sine x plus y. That's means we arranged sine x minus y like this. Okay, that means plus of negative, we know that is minus. Okay, then next one we can apply here sine x plus y formula, we can apply here, that is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay, here the negative y, then if you write, then we will get like this, sine x then cos negative y plus cos x then sine negative y. Okay, now we are going to apply the second and third relations. Okay, we know sine negative theta is equal to negative sine theta, cos negative theta is equal to cos theta. We apply that one here, we can write cos negative y, we know that is cos y, but if you write here sine negative case, sine negative y, you will get negative sine y. If you write, it will come like this. Okay, then we know positive, if you multiply these two, then positive times negative, that is or positive or of negative, we know that one is which one, negative. Then we can write like this, sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. Okay, then that is the relation for which one, sine x minus y. That means we can write sine x minus y is equal to sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. That means here plus means the same thing, these two relations, sine x plus y and sine x minus y relation, both are almost same, but only one thing, here plus means here also plus, but in minus case, here minus means here the relation, this case here also which one, minus. Okay, thank you.